Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, very exciting update for you guys today. So again, main topic being, has Bitcoin bottomed or not? So again, we've had an insane move the last, let's say, 24 hours since the ceasefire was announced between the US and Iran, which has yeah, caused an incredible spike in price. And yeah, again, we knew it was coming. Again, as soon as the ceasefire was announced, we saw the initial spike above the resistance zone, and today is yeah, it's just history. So yeah, let's zoom out. So let's see where we're looking at. So basically, so you get overall trends still bearish. There's no difference for this wave here, unfortunately. Unless we start taking out 82.5, we're still in a downtrend. We've got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and that will just continue for the foreseeable future. So where does this leave us? So as it stands, we're seeing this again, this push up. To me, quite simply, this is a. Let me zoom in actually, just show you. So again, what I'm seeing here. So I'm gonna assume we're gonna see a short term top, either 70,675 or 682 basically. Let me just get up the VWAP as well. So we're looking from the previous high. Again, we can push up to this sort of region, so 70,600. So there's still movement to be had, basically. I mean, what I'd like to see. Let me go through it. So again, we've got this wave one here. It's wave two correction. Right now, again, the volume is increasing, sort of on this wave here. So to me, this is a wave three. So again, count wise. See wave three here, wave four here, wave five up here. I don't think we've stopped yet. Again, we're very much in the yeah, again, it's very rough. That's what I'm looking at. But in terms of have we actually bottomed, that's a different question. So overall, again, you can argue this is the bottom wave, but to me, it doesn't. It's very possible, but again, this would just be a short term. In terms of like, can we drop below 59,200? I think we can do that, yes. There's a few things that we can see. The macro, a few ways to count it. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you've got, so that'll be the first wave, and you've got A wave. This is B. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to bottom out down here. So again, so that would mean that here we're in a wave two, and we've got wave three, wave four, wave five. I'm not sure what will cause a sell-off, but something will trigger for that to happen. They'll find a narrative, no doubt, that will suit that. So that's the bearish option I'm looking at. The bullish option is we have bottomed, but I wouldn't entertain that unless we continue from here all the way up to 82,500, put in a high above that. Because that to me would be a change in behaviour. It's different. So you got the order block here we rejected from. So if we get above this sort of region, you then look for shorts and pullbacks to continue up to eventually new highs. But again, it's a way away to go at the moment. So my bias is we haven't bottomed yet, but again, there is an argument to say we have if we start to reclaim the 83,000. But again, doesn't mean not to long. Again, right now, we are long and strong on that breakout point. I do think we continue high in the short term, but if you're asking yourself, I've missed the entry, where do I get in? Let's go through that now quickly. So in terms of levels to mark out, so we've got a resistance zone up here, just the range high of this range here. Right now we're seeing some resistance in this sort of order block here. So again, we may come down again, sort of just find support and then back up. But again, you've got to zoom in sometimes to find these good entries. So for me, you want to map out your support zones. We've got one major one here at 66, and we've got a smaller cluster here. So quite simply, you just want to see these sort of dips. So you want to see a wick down into it, hold the first small wave up. You can then look to buy the pullback and then up. Again, if you close below this and flip it into resistance, we'll then just wait to enter down to here, and maybe even flip short here down to these sort of levels. This would be a nice support zone to test at 66, but ideally holding here would be brilliant as well. It's a very strong trend, so I don't see an issue with us holding that area. And plus you've got the 9 to 9 EMA sort of holding up here as well, so it's nice confluence for support around this sort of zone, so keep an eye on that as well. So that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, again, if you are interested in more support, again, please do sign up to my groups in the link. We've got a private Discord group which is through Patreon, so if you click on that, once you sign up to it, send me a DM and I'll add you in. But again, we caught this move here, which is insane. We caught this move this morning, which was yeah, I was quite proud of this one. So again, I noticed we had this sort of pullback into support. We held it, and since then it's about a 7% pump, 8%. Yeah, 7.8%. It's been ridiculous. Again, I'm out. I've taken about 50% profits, and I do expect us to come back a little bit. But yeah, it's been an insane run. So again, I am expecting continuation, probably all the way up to. Yeah, so you got a cluster here. So I'm going to be expecting us to pop up to near enough the 2000 region, which is going to be crazy. So I want to try and get you guys into these positions. So again, where would we look for support? So again, we've got support here. I can see that from this sort of test, this wick up. So this cluster here is a support zone. So you map that out, and basically we wait. So you want to wait for us to sort of dance around. So we could wick in, work out. You just want to dance around this sort of region, and again, we'll be looking for that continuation of the trend up for us. Now 7%, guys. I'm going to be holding my position from down here and just keep riding up. But again, just wait for that sort of sideways support, sideways, sideways. It's all you have to wait for. And at that point, you then look for a position to get into the longs. But again, yeah, I mean, I've said before on the channel, we had this leg up here. We were always waiting for this to happen. Whether or not we came, I was expecting us to sweep down at 16, to be honest. So when we were here, sort of like down, then up. It's all about structure. You've got 5 waves here, so you have to have another 5 wave. So I'm glad we've got that. So if you go through some old videos, I do talk through it quite a lot in detail. But yeah, so that's the update, guys. I hope you do or have enjoyed the video. Again, please do comment again any altcoins you want me to go through, any sort of updates in relation to any again coins you want to see, any questions you have, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But yeah, so do take care, and I'll see you in the next one.